Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know. Now you do know. And this week I have a super special video for you. It's a new sewing tutorial. Yes, it's been a very long time since I've done a real sewing tutorial. A few weeks ago, this company called Jord reached out to me and asked if they could send me one of their beautiful wood watches. This one, in fact. And I was like, well, they're beautiful, but will they fit my chunky wrists? And the answer was yes, they will, in fact, because they size them to fit you, which is hella awesome for all of those other people out there in the world who also have chunky wrists. So I was like, all right, if it's gonna fit me, send it. I love watches. I always have trouble finding them. So I got this very beautiful watch here. They did send it to me for free, basically just in exchange for mentioning it. There's also a giveaway happening, but you'll have to stick to the very end of the video to find out all the details. I mean, you could skip ahead, but like, I'm not gonna make it easy on you and timestamp it, but you'll find out all the details at the end. So, I have been enjoying this watch for about a week now. I decided that I needed to make something cool to go with the watch, so I made this top. It may not look like much now, but you'll see it has flared sleeves, and it's just hella cute. So, let's just get into it, and you can see the whole tutorial. You will need some scissors, markers, ruler, stretchy fabric, your blocks, and paper. For the first section, or the front, you need to trace that out on paper and make any adjustments. I took in the underarm a little bit, and I extended the front by about 2 inches in length and took out some of the tightness at the sides. That's pretty much it. Once you've done that for your pattern, you're going to repeat it on the back, so everything matches up. Whatever you take out of the side seam, you take out on the back, and then once you've got that all adjusted, you can move on to the sleeve. The sleeve is where it gets a little tricky. You need to trace it out, and if you took anything out of the side seams, you need to take that off of the side of each of the sleeve, and then you need to extend the sleeve as long as you want it to be, and then flare it out. You need to make sure you're flaring it out the same on both sides and curving the hem so that it will fit together properly at a right angle. It's a little weird, but if you just follow the video, it will make more sense. And don't forget to add side seam allowance to everything when you're done. This is where it gets really fun. You just need to pin and cut out your pattern, and then it's time to sew. Start by sewing the shoulder seams together, then pin in the sleeve in that opening and sew it on all the way around the armpit, all the way up to the shoulder and back around. Once you've got both sleeves in, you can then sew down the side seam up to the armpit and down to the end of your sleeve, and then try it on, make sure it fits exactly how you want, and hem everything. That includes hemming 1/2 inch around the neckline as well. Alright, so now that you've seen the whole tutorial and, you know, my outfit, well, let's get to the giveaway details. So, the first line in the description will have the link to the giveaway. I'm not hosting it, it's hosted by Jord, but you can just click that link and that will take you to the giveaway. You will be entered to win a $100 store gift card or gift code, I guess, store credit. That's what it was called? Yes, store credit. And while you may be thinking, you know, those are kind of fancy watches, can't really get a whole lot for that, they just introduced Apple Watch bands, which I'm super pumped about, and I will probably buy one for myself, not gonna lie. And you also, if you look a little bit further down the description, you will see that there is a discount code using my code, Paisley Plus. It's on the screen right there. Hopefully right there. And if you use the discount code on their website, that'll get you $25 off. So that's even better. You're already getting $25 off. And then you can enter to win another $100 gift. Why can't I think of the word? Store credit. So, you know, there's not really anything you can lose. Honestly, their watches are beautiful. They're made of tons of different kinds of wood. They are eco-friendly. They are plus-size friendly, which makes them top-notch in my book. And they're super, super stylish. Honestly, I feel really fancy when I'm wearing this watch. Even more fancy than when I'm wearing my Apple Watch, to be honest. And, you know. Also, look at this super impressive and fancy box it came in. So, the top is magnetic, like this. Comes with a little pillow that the watch sits on. There is a wood oil for care of your watch. You can oil it up and condition it so it doesn't dry out and crack. There is a cleaning cloth in there. And honestly, this box is just like kind of heirloom quality. Like, this is what really expensive watches come in. And, you know, there's also this little like drawer down here for more things, more cleaning cloths, things like that. So this is like, this sells it for me. But if that's not your thing, totally okay. Enter the giveaway anyway, and you could, you know, get $100 store credit. Thank you guys for listening to my rambles. I appreciate it. If you have any questions about the sewing tutorial, leave them down below. I will try and answer as many as I can. In the meantime, all my links are also in the description box when you're down there entering the contest. So follow me on all the social medias, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!